I'm in me mom's car.
Broom, broom.
Get out me car. I'm gonna vlog, but I'm not gonna talk about what we're doing because that's like so 2017. This apartment is so cute. You look so like with your little Moscow Mule glasses, your little Gemini apartment tour. Is this the cover tour? This is like so Tumblr, like not in a bad way, like white bed.
Oh yeah, I had to. You know, I had
on
to
the
do
wall.
the tan and the white together with my humidifier. We can have the moistest.
Oh, are you a YouTuber now? You could, like, honestly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember when I was, like, when I first started watching YouTube, Bub's Beauty used this, and I always wanted it.
It's gonna fly on your lips like so.
I'm just gonna have like a Ferrero Rocher because, like, I'm having a shoot today, so I just need like a breakfast snack. I'm just really depressed.
What could this be?
I don't know. It's a weird mix.
Barb stripes and oh my god! I feel like Christine.
She's the greatest, the single greatest female recording artist of all time, and I will fight you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm wearing these everywhere.
Trisha paid us who?
Yeah.
The same, pretty much the same slides, but you decided to buy two of the same pair.
They're different.
I just believe that we are like a video game for other people.
Yeah, we're a simulation. That's what Elon Musk says.
Yeah, that we're a simulation for other planets to play with.
Yeah, aliens. What is it?
Are aliens real? Where is it?
On the phone. Look at my head.
What problem?
Wow, this lighting. OOTD.
Salvo.
Wow.
Wow.
H&M. The Gap. Doc Martens.
Oops. What do you think?
What do you think? What do you think?
I wish that was Alexis.
I like that. Wow.
Wow.
Sex. So I really love this song. It's a great divorced parent spot.
Play with me anymore. That's how it goes.
I was going 100.
Nope. Can't do shit. Tell me if it's chunky. That's good. Okay. Headphones. Got this vinyl, but it was only $2.50, so worth it.
Why won't it let me drag it? Filler footage.
Filler footage.
Come here. Wait.
I'm cold.
I'm losing my mind.
You're so edgy.
I know, right?
Oh my god, you're a punk. Concert hall. We just saw Pups, Twin Peaks and Pup. Got our a light CD haul. We have a light t-shirt haul. And you know what I realized is that every Twin Peaks song sounds like ba ba ba. Show everybody what a, look at the aesthetic. Look at the pup.
Wow.
I'm a punk. I'm edgy.
Hey, Julie.
Not right now. When it only comes at certain times. I'm too busy being annoying.
Excuse me, give me that $1.
What's all over your coat? Oh my god, it's all over you. It's called winter.
I hate it.
I do want to get more long.
Wow.
Wow.
How many iced almond milk lattes can we drink in 1 week?
Except the breakfast. Swatch?